What's up, man? Welcome to our documentary, homies.
Wait, that's not how you start a documentary, but okay. So today we are bird watching
Yeah, man.
in the wild wilderness of the savannah.
Dude,
Look how wild it is.
it's pretty nuts,
Look
dude.
how many trees are out. You can hear the birds.
You can definitely hear the birds, and they sound like the birds to me.
They sound like they need to be watched by us.
Let's watch some birds. So, Kay, do you want to go right or left?
I say a good right.
Right.
You know they say right's always right.
Yeah. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go. Dude,
Um.
polluting nature has never been more fun.
Okay. So,
Let's go continue with our bird watching.
come on. Come on.
Come on, Carl.
You see that bird right there?
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, good. I'm glad it's not
Come
me.
on.
Come on.
Come on.
Carl! Carl!
Hey. Hey.
Carl, come on, Carl!
Come on.
Carl, you guys, don't be a scaredy pants.
He's scared of birds.
It's maybe because he's allergic to birds.
Oh, look at that one.
Wow.
That is a Savannah tumbler.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
You can tell by the high-pitched frequencies of the chirps.
Did you know a Savannah tumbler, their temperature is exactly 46.7 degrees, and their wingspan are
What?
actually bigger than their tails.
Temperature or what temperature type? Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Kelvin.
Oh, okay. Come on. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Come on!
Come on!
Come on, Carl!
Come
Carl,
on.
come on! Yeah,
Oh,
there you go! There you
good boy? Who's a
There you
good
go,
boy?
Carl! Come on. So you come
Oh, look, more Savannah tumblers right over there.
right there.
Aren't they beautiful?
Oh man, 46 degrees Kelvin. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Isn't that an incredible creature?
Oh, and look right there, it's a cheetah.
A cheetah?
Yeah,
I thought that's not a bird.
Chester cheetah.
Oh, Chester cheetah. What kind of bird is that?
A Cheeto.
Cheetah?
What? No, come on.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, come on.
Carl!
Come on.
Carl!
Oh, okay.
Carl!
Finally.
Go! I'm sorry, Carl. I'm sorry, Come on. Sorry, I can't be.
Oh, I heard the flutterings of a, one second, of a Japanese wachachu bird.
Wachachu bird?
Have you never
Well,
heard of the
bless you.
wachachus?
Bless you. Okay, it's like you sneezed. Let me go over here.
Sometimes I don't really like the people I work with. Which way did he go? Right? Or left? Let's go right. Hello? Watch out, Carl. There's a lot of webs. Taylor. This is where we would like to thank our sponsor, Snapple, for keeping us brave. Sometimes in life, I wonder what really matters. I wonder if we took a wrong turn. Want to go back, Carl? Okay, let's go. There he is. Look, Carl. He doesn't work out much. Don't worry, camera. We'll cut this out.
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot isn't real. Only birds are. I'm gonna reincarnate as one someday. As the famous song goes, there she goes. There she goes again.
Cut. Oh, we're all gonna die.
We lost our way
look,
back.
there's a bird. Dude, what are we doing here? We should start.
Look, that is a exotic blue jay.
Hold on. Let's start the camera again, Carl. You know what, dude? Let's probably just tripping out. Here, let's just take some deep breaths.
Okay.
I feel better. Okay, ready?
Man,
Carl, you think
I'm
we should just redo
snapped.
this? Okay, Carl, ready?
Okay, cut then.
One. Hey, welcome back.
Birds, right?
I was tripping out a little bit, but we're back here. Let's look at some birds.
Okay, come on, Carl.
Come on, Carl. Carl, come on, Carl.
Okay, Carl, I'm getting real tired.
So-
I will cut your pay.
That's okay. Carl.
Okay, come on, Carl.
Come on, Carl. We're a bunch of jokesters.
Carl.
Carl, come on, it's okay.
Come on, Carl.
Who's
you want a treat, Carl? Do you want a treat, Carl? Come on.
Come on, Carl. So anyway, if you look over there, you can see the very native blue jay.
Exotic blue jay.
It's native and exotic.
No, it's exotic.
Did you know blue jays can live about 345,000 years? And their wingspans are the size of a grape nut.
No, the wingspan, you're thinking of hummingbirds.
Mhm.
The wingspans are about the size of 3 bald eagles.
That's it. Okay.
It's like this big.
So let's go this way.
But 3 times.
Come on.
Yeah?
Carl, come on. Good job, Carl. Good job.
Oh,
Carl's
if you
so
look
brave.
over there, you can see a dragon.
Dragon? What?
Hey, if we're gonna joke around about Bigfoot, I can joke around about dragon.
I swear.
Come on,
Time out.
Pete.
I saw.
Once we're done with the documentary, I'm never gonna talk with you again. I don't even know how you're a bird scientist.
We're tricksters here. Come on, Carl.
I'm not joking.
Anyway, so like I was saying, so there's many birds out here. Like if you look that way,
There's a.
do you see the hummingbird? Do you see the hummingbird?
No, because you're lying to the camera.
No.
If you look over there, you can see the
Look, I don't
African,
like your attitude.
African
I don't like
Japanese
Here,
bird
cut it.
eagle.
Carl, cut it. We need to show these people birds. We need to get over our differences. We need to be friends, okay?
No, Snapple. Drink for life. But seriously, Snapple is savoringly good. Savoringly.
What was that?
Me drinking Snapple. Guys, don't litter.
I got a question.
Yeah?
I got a very interesting question.
I have a question too. What is the meaning of life? Answer birds.
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 Birds. See, Carl even says birds. He's saying 42. Carl, no. Carl, you need to get a wife.
Later, Carl. Carl, later.
But, so, why did I bring sunglasses? Because, I'm having a hard time seeing these birds. Here,
I
Carl.
only have you can
Carl,
hear the
can you-
chanting of the tribal cultist birds. They are chanting the rhythm of the tune of Scientology.
Okay, there it is! Look! There it is! Come on, Carl!
Come on, Carl.
I'm gonna show you! There it is!
A bird?
Stupid Bigfoot! It was right there! Didn't you see it?
Come on, dude. Bigfoot isn't usually in the rainforest of savannas.
He's here. Anyway,
Oh, look, Pete's Dragon's back.
when we say Bigfoot, we're talking about the Bigfoot bird, which actually has big... Oh, sorry, we're thinking of Big Bird. Oh! That's a little joke for people who like comedy.
Quickly, tell me how to get to Sesame Street. How to get to Sesame Street. Documentaries, right?
This is brought to you by Snapple.
And Sesame Street. Take a spit for Snapple.
Okay.
Diet. Snapple.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, someone hold this Snapple into my mouth. Wait, cut real quick.
Cut.
Dude, this Snapple is the worst thing ever.
I can't believe
they paid.
Why?
I wouldn't have accepted that much money if I knew it was this bad.
I know. I did.
Diet Snapple?
Why did we choose Diet Snapple? We could have did the Pepsi deal.
Yeah, but birds and Pepsi, you know the rumors.
Yeah, birds and Pepsi.
If a bird gets even an ounce of Pepsi, it just
Okay.
explodes and dies.
Can we
Carl, turn off the game.
Carl, literally, you need to.
We told you not to bring your Game Boy.
Seriously, Carl, put it back.
Put it back.
Put it back, Carl.
That's enough Paper Mario for today.
Paper Mario?
Yeah.
What game is that? Did the new
I
one
don't
come out?
know. Carl.
Oh, sorry, Carl. Restart.
Carl.
Turn
put
it back
put
on.
the camera back on.
Back.
Guys, look, a bird. Okay, come on.
I like it.
Come on.
That's a good bird. Come on. Come on. Carl, come on, Carl. Carl, come on. We're leaving you behind. Come on, Carl.
Oh my gosh, Taylor,
Yeah.
we need to get a new cameraman next time. Oh, sorry.
Bird.
Come on, Carl. Savannah. No, it's just rainforest savannas.
We're going to show you the famous rainforest eagle. We have to track it down.
Did you say rainforest eel?
Eagle.
Oh, we already saw those. Wait. You can see its tracks right here. Look.
Here. Cut. Hey, everyone. So,
Documentaries. Birds.
there's a bird over
Wait
there.
a second.
There's a bird.
Did you hear that?
I didn't. Cade, anyway, I want to show you the Cade?
Bigfoot.
You found Bigfoot?
Yeah.
Come on,
Right
Carl.
over here.
No, Carl. No, Carl, come on. We're gonna get Bigfoot on camera. Oh, we're gonna get Bigfoot on camera. Come on. We're gonna be famous. Come on. Are you excited, Carl? Yeah, come on. This is so amazing. Cade!
Ah, Bigfoot.
We found Bigfoot, come on. Bigfoot?
I got you. Bigfoot isn't even real.
Carl, come back! Carl, come back! Carl, stop! You're scared!
Carl, wait! No!
Come back!
Carl,
it's okay.
it's okay. It's just a prank, bro.
Ah!
Look at him run! He's so fast! Carl! Look at him go!
I think we're stuck here. Let's go make shelter.
Wait, we can follow him.
He's too fast, Cade. I don't know which way he turned.
There's only... Oh, you're right. He could have turned that way. Oh, crap. Dude.
I don't know what to do. Carl knew this is Carl's, this is where he lives. He could be sleeping in that tree over there.
That
Carl!
One? That one?
That one. You know what we need to do? Let's find shelter
Okay.
in this woods that Bigfoot's in. You know he is. Let's go.
Okay.
So we need to get some sticks.
Uh-huh.
Build ourselves a shelter.
Yeah.
Let's get ourselves a shelter.
Why don't we turn off the camera? We gotta keep the battery.